Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to apply video transitions using Lightworks editor. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have 3 videos added to project contents in Lightworks. I'm going to select them all and drag and drop them to video track 1 on the timeline. Okay, and by default our videos will have a hard cut because there are no nice transitions here. So from one video to the next, it's just going to be an immediate switch. Okay, now if we want to add a transition between these videos, first what we have to do is hover over the videos like this, so you can see both brackets, basically in between 2 videos. Right click, navigate to transitions, select the transition that you want to use. I'll keep 25 frames and click apply. Okay, and if you get this error that says there isn't sufficient incoming and outgoing media to add a transition here, then what we have to do is just navigate over the end of the first clip like this, so we can see only this bracket. Left click on the mouse and just drag it towards the left, basically trim the video. Now trim the beginning of this second clip. So again, navigate over, left click, and drag it like this. Now I'm gonna right click here on this gray area and click on close gap. Now again, let's repeat the exercise and navigate over in between 2 clips so both brackets are visible. Right click, transitions, I'm gonna select dissolve, 25 frames centered here, click apply. And now if I replay the clips again, this is our dissolve transition. Okay, now I will do the same here on the end of these clips. So if I trim the end of this middle clip, trim the beginning of this last clip, close this gap, hover over in between both videos so both brackets are visible, just right click, transitions, let's say Luma Wipe this time, apply. Okay, now if I replay, and that's the Luma Wipe transition. And that's all guys, this is how we apply video transitions in Lightworks. So I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.